Hello students, this is Miss Dalton, and today's video is starting our unit on matrix operations, and this first video is on an introduction to matrices. A matrix is just an array of numbers. It's a way to organize a set of numbers. If we're talking about a singular matrix, we just use the word matrix, but if we are talking about the plural, we have several matrices. We use the plural word for matrices. Here is an example of a matrix. We've got the numbers 6, 4, 24, 1, negative 9, and 8. This one has 2 rows and 3 columns, so we're going to talk about what that means. And just remember that your rows are horizontal. So these are rows. And then your columns are vertical. So think about the columns of a house, how they hold up the roof of a house, and so that the columns are vertical. Okay, so when we talk about the order of a matrix, the order of a matrix is based on its rows and columns. So if we have this example here where we've organized the age and the number of pairs of shoes for Ashley, Emma, and Chloe, we have rows and columns. So if we asked for the order of this matrix, we would say it is a 2 by 3 matrix. So we would write it like this. So the order or the size of the matrix is a 2 by 3, where 2 represents the rows and the columns is that second number. In a matrix, each number is called an entry or an element. So if we have this matrix A right here that has all of these numbers, and matrix B has all of these numbers, to identify an entry, you're going to see it written like this. It's going to say A sub MN. The A, the lowercase a, represents the matrix that they want you to look at. So in this case, we're looking at matrix A. And then the M, the first number that you see, represents the row. The second number that you see represents the column. So if we look at the entry 550 that's in matrix A, we would denote that as lowercase a subscript 3, 2, because it is in the third row, 1, 2, third row, and it is in the second column. So this is the first column, this is the second column, third column, fourth column. So it is in the third row, second column, okay? And so we would denote that as just lowercase a 3, 2. So let's look at the entry 750 that's in the B matrix. Take a second and write down how we would denote that element or that entry. Okay, that would be lowercase b. The subscript would be 2, 4, because it's in the second row, fourth column. Okay, so go ahead and look at this example that we have here, and I want you to take what you just learned previously, and I want you to pause the video and write down what is the order of this matrix, and then also write down what number is in the position A subscript 3, 2, and what number is in the position A subscript 4, 1. When you're ready to check your answers, go ahead and press play again. All right, go ahead and check your answers. The order of the matrix is a 4 by 2. Again, we've got 4 rows and 2 columns, so this is a 4 by 2 matrix. And then what number is in the position A subscript 3, 2? Well, if we go to the third column, third row, so this is first, second, third row, and then if we go to the second column, that would be this number right here. Then if we want to look at A4, 1, so that we want to go to the 4th row and the 1st column. So that's going to be this number right here. All right, so this is our brief introduction to matrices. You will have an assignment, and so go ahead and complete your assignment.